Kia ora. Here's how to tell the Metlink app which notifications you want to receive. First, sign into your Metlink account by clicking the menu icon on the top left of the screen. From here, you can sign in or create an account. If you haven't created an account yet, pop in your email and a password, and you'll get a verification email. When you first sign in, make sure to select Allow if you're asked to receive notifications from Metlink. Now let's add a favourite. At the bottom of the screen, select Favourites from the navigation bar. From here, you can add your favourite bus stops and train stations, suburbs, services, and locations. The last step is to tell the app to send you notifications for your favourites only. Tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen. Now tap My Preferences and scroll down to the Notifications section. Tap the checkbox that says Send me push notifications for my favourite services and stops. You can also choose to receive email notifications and to limit notifications to during peak travel hours. Once you've tapped the checkbox, your preferences are automatically saved. To get back to the main screen, just tap the left arrow at the top of the screen. Then you're all done. Now you will only receive the alert notifications that you need. The notifications you receive can also be found from within the app. Tap the alerts icon at the bottom right of the screen. Turn on the toggle that says Only show my favourite services and choose to show alerts for bus, train, school, or ferry and cable car. Kia pai tō rā.